G'day everyone, welcome to Daily Driven. Today we're looking inside some boxes, and that is way more exciting than it sounds. Now, I'm not going to do a full unboxing, oh my god, video. I will show you all the parts though. Not a sponsored video, no affiliation. All of these parts coming from Techno Toy Tuning, also known as T3, coming out of the US. Now, these are the guys that have taken the time to design and engineer specific parts for the 280ZX, along with other Datsun models, Toyota, and a whole heap of others. So really worth checking out their website, I gotta say. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, probably do the wall one more time. This is the one that started it. Saw this part and was like, yep, gonna get it. Control arms. Oof. Here we've got the GTX2 front lower control arms. All the specs are on the website, so I'm not going to go through them. I'm going to give you my reaction on what they're like, and they just look amazing. The build quality on these things is absolutely superb. These tie rod ends, they're just so much more beefy than the stock units. The control arm itself is a beefy unit. It just amazing with the amount of adjustability. Man, it's just from every angle, this thing is beautiful. Really super happy with the way these parts feel in hand. Gonna be equally as happy as the way they feel in the car. Polyurethane bushing with this one. Yeah, really tight unit. Love it. Next up. Ooh, yes. Alright. Yes. Rear coilovers. Slick looking units once again. These things, they're gorgeous. All these parts are amazing. So we have the adjustable AGX KYB. This top hat billet aluminium by T3 will give us some extra travel, which is going to be very nice. And you'll notice there's no lock nut on these when we're adjusting ride height, but I'll get to that a bit more later on in the video. You know what this is? Yep. Wicked. Micro big brake conversion kit. Basically that just means that they're gonna fit under my wheels, stock ones. I haven't changed up, and I'm not planning on doing any changes to the wheels. This is the part that makes it all happen. These are the 3D machined mounting brackets that T3 make. Not much to see or say there, feel great. Kit also comes included with flexible brake lines, stainless steel. You know, I mean, it's what you'd expect. They're nice, bendy, bendy. Luckily, the kit also comes with rotors, because I'm pretty sure mine are absolutely shot. Big chunk, big bad boys. I got slotted, not drilled. These are vented. Nice, flat, solid rotor. Nice work. Yeah, happy. Now, the heroes here are obviously staring us right in the face with the big white writing. The Wilwood 4-piston brake calipers. Datsun 280ZX came with disc brakes all round, but you know, the technology started off in '79, so definitely wanted to upgrade these for a while, and yeah, he's gonna be great. Really looking forward to it. Big box. We know what this is. Yep, steering coupler. Man, whole lot of packaging just for that. Get a few little bonus bits. This is the steering coupler, solid billet aluminium. It's going to replace our rubber rag joint we got at the moment. Should tighten the steering up. And we've also got these outer tie rods fantastic. Oof, love them, nice and chunky. The only downside is I will have to drill my OEM steering knuckle. It's pretty much the only part that T3 doesn't do for the S130 at this point. I think these are going to give it away. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, what am I talking about? Just show them. Here we have the evolved front coilover set, fully fabricated with spindles. Basically, for the 280ZX, if you wanted coilovers, now that meant taking the spindles off of your existing suspension, cutting that, welding on a coilover at the top. With this, you don't have to, it's all done. It's all machined. These are brand new spindles. They're thicker. You got a little T3 logo stamped, which, you know, just to die for, obviously. So all the hard work's done. I'm lazy. I don't like hard work. It's done. Now you'll notice that there's no lock ring for the perches. There's only one perch. So with this, you jack up the car so it's not under load. You're actually able to turn the perch by hand. There is a locking screw, but you only really set that once you've got your ride height exactly where you want. Got OEM style strut casings there. These are adjustable stroke. Once again, build quality on this thing is phenomenal. It's just, it feels so good. Can't wait to get it in the car and feel how good it handles. Just super excited by these. I hope you liked seeing those parts as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. Build quality, amazing. Can't get over it. Oh, actually, I wanted to say the packaging as well. No scuffs. Lots of those eco air pockets, so big up to T3. Oh, and thank you again for producing parts like this for my car. It means a lot to me that somebody out there is willing to put time and effort into producing parts. And that's one of the reasons why I went with these guys. Yeah, that it's sick, man, don't get me wrong, this is like... But you gotta support people who are out there making the parts, who are going to the effort to design things for your car. Thank you, T3. Can't wait to see what you do next. So thanks again for watching, guys. Time to get busy. I wonder where those goggles are.